Hey everyone, we went to Ross today. We actually had went to Ross recently and purchased some swimwear, which I may make a members only video, not because I'm trying to earn the extra income. It's just members only. It's more of like an elite list where I can be sure that it doesn't just go out to general public, to people that my kids don't want to show their swimwear to, but they kind of want to show it so that other people can know how to buy swimwear the way that we buy it, but also like, you know, YouTube is kind of a feeding frenzy sometimes. That aside, today's goal was the girls and I wanted dresses that were basically a little bit longer than maybe like a tunic style shirt, because we can't find any tunic style shirts that we could just wear with capris and wear them for casual or dress them up with like maybe a belt or something. So that was our goal in mind. We went to Ross today and we actually found some really cute pieces. So first up, there's actually two right here. And these are t-shirt style dresses, and they have hoods on them. And they're so super soft. I love how soft these two are. So these are actually, I also say this is for myself and for my 13-year-old. So the other girls were able to find a lot of things for their body styles at Walmart. But my 13-year-old and I both were looking around. We're like, we couldn't really find anything in like colors that we liked. And it would have been a lot of like repeat of the exact same thing that the other girls were buying as well. So we decided to just kind of wait it out and see if we could find some at other places. And I'm glad we did, because we found these cute ones. So she and I both picked these and we both really loved them. I got the 2X for myself because this is actually the junior size. So I'm short enough to need junior size, but I'm also an adult woman, so I need a little bit bigger for women's sizes. So that's why I got the 2X for myself, and then I got the 1X for her. That is it for, both of these were $9.99 each. The rest of these that you're going to see were $14.99 each, which my budget was, looking and comparing to Amazon, I was trying to find for $10 to $15 per dress for each person, because it can really add up whenever you've got a lot of kids. So this is the first one, and this is for my 13-year-old. I love the floral print and how it has almost like a border at the bottom. It is sheer on top, but it does have this built-in, I guess, slip piece on it. The sleeves are also sheer, but the slip built-in piece goes all the way up. And again, yeah, this one, it was $14.99 as well. It originally would have been like $30. And also, okay, it is kind of showing on camera. I was going to say, it may not show on camera, but this one actually is. It is more of like a navy blue. It's not black. This next one is black. I love the way that this one looked on her. And we don't always like the ones that like start almost like at the armpit level and flare off from there, but I love the way that this one fit her. And I think the flare is mostly the top layer, because I don't think the bottom layer is quite as flared as the top layer is, which I think is also why it works so well. And this is one that, I mean, both of these, all the ones that are in this area except for the very last one, they obviously could be very dressy if you want them to, but again, our goal was kind of like more casual mindset. And I love the little ties on the sleeves on this one, and all of these are mediums, and this one was of the ones that she tried on, this one was my absolute favorite. This is one that I picked out for myself. It has a very bright floral print on it right here on the bottom, which I'm still kind of not 100% sure, but if I just really decide I don't want it, it just doesn't fit my style, I may gift it to my 13-year-old and see if she wants to keep it. She's also almost 14, but I may end up giving her this one. And because I mean, she'll only look at like 2 or 3, because she's one of those, like, she doesn't want to ask for it. She really liked it though, but I'm thinking of gifting this one to her and getting something else instead. But again, this is a medium and it was $14.99. Also, again, like, apparently it was a trend that a lot of these like this that were this length of the dresses were like right at the knee, slightly above the knee. Like I said, they fit like tunic tops, and it was sheer sleeves with a built-in slip piece, and they were so cute. I really like these. This last one, you saw us do one last year from Ross where it was a navy blue with white flowers for my oldest. Well, my 13-year-old found this one, and we decided that this one is going to be her Easter dress. And I think that it's a different floral print, but it's kind of it's the same build type. It has a mesh top at the top right here, and she'll wear a cardigan with it, but it was the same, like, it's the same design, like the pattern itself is the exact same, but it's a slightly different print, and it's a bright lavender color, purple, and she can use this for Easter. But that is it, you guys. I just want to show you these simplistic pieces that we have. We already had like capri leggings that we're going to add with these whenever we're wearing them for casual wear. And again, like for dressier wear, if she wanted to, she could add belts to these as well. And like I said, just check out Ross and check out the different dress areas, because like they had one that was more dressy, which is where these were, and then they had some that were like not as dressy. And I've also heard like you can also sometimes find one like these in pull covers now. But that's it for the video today, you guys. Thank you so much to our members for supporting all of our content. Thank you to everyone for liking and subscribing, and we will see you next time.